Funding your business is not an easy task. You've got to attract investors with a well-crafted business plan that will make them believe in your vision. But where do you even begin when it comes to making a business plan? And how to make a business plan that will attract investors? That's why we're here. In this video, we'll show you the steps to make a business plan that will attract investors and get your business off the ground. First, you must clearly identify your goals and objectives. What is it that you are trying to accomplish with your business plan? What are you planning to sell? Is it a product or a service? And is there any demand for it in the market? These are all important questions that must be answered before you can pitch your business plan to investors. It's also important to be clear about what you want to achieve in the long term and outline any milestones that need to be achieved along the way. Well-defined milestones with definite timeframes will appeal to the investors because it demonstrates that you have thought out your business plan in detail. Remember, being specific and realistic is the key to success. Second, after you have identified your goals, you must complete an in-depth analysis of your market. Who are your potential customers? What is the size of the target market? Knowing your target audience is essential when crafting a business plan that will attract investors. Make sure you understand the challenges and opportunities of your market, as well as the competitive landscape you'll be facing. Many investors will judge your seriousness about your business by how much knowledge you have about the market. They might ask you questions like what is the target population demographics or what is the projected growth rate? Is it a seasonal business or a year-round business? So make sure you have all your answers ready. Next comes the part where you need to develop a financial plan. This will include projections of revenue, expenses, cash flow, and profits. You'll need to be realistic when making these projections and make sure they are backed up by factual data. This is the part where investors will really start paying attention, so make sure you have done your research and plan ahead. If you're not comfortable doing this part yourself, there are professionals you can hire to help you prepare financial projections. After developing a financial plan, you'll need to have a plan for implementation. Explain how you are going to attract and retain customers and how you are going to manage your team. This is the part where investors will want to know that you have a concrete plan of action and can deliver on your promises. To really appeal to your potential investors, you should also include contingencies for any potential risks that might come up during the course of your business. When it comes to setting up a business, it never goes completely as planned, so make sure you're prepared to handle any curveballs that come your way. Tell your investors that you're well prepared and have covered all your bases. The trickiest part comes when you need to explain your business plan in a concise and compelling way. You'll need to be able to hook investors with a convincing pitch that will attract their interest. Make sure to include research-backed facts and figures, as well as specific details about how you plan to grow your business. When giving the presentation or proposal, dress up appropriately, be passionate, and make sure to use visual aids that highlight your points. Finally, you must explain how the investors will benefit from investing in your business. Explain how their money will be used and the potential returns they can expect. You should also include any incentives you are offering, such as equity or other perks. At the end of the day, it's all about having a clear and well-thought-out business plan. If you can attract investors with a strong business plan, you'll be one step closer to making your dream a reality. We are Think Tank Financial, and if you want to watch our other videos on business planning and attracting investors, make sure to subscribe. Good luck!